Rocket agent. It's very powerful. It builds web apps, mobile apps, internal tools, websites, dashboards, and even landing pages. Whatever you want to do, this is very powerful. All you have to do is just describe what you want to build and the functionalities and the features it must have. Then this is going to build everything for you. Right now, this is the beta version, but it is very powerful. I have this prompt that I want to build a class field app where people can buy and sell different kinds of products. Now with this prompt, all I have to do here is just click on this send. Then here you're going to see this. As it starts building here, automatically the tokens will start running down. Then it's going to ask you to select the screens you wish it to build from the list below. And so here I'll just select the screens I want it to build for me. Then I'll click on build my app. And here on top you're going to see what file it is actually building. This here is more like a to-do list, and these are the things it's going to build. Now in the login screen you can have multiple files in it, and all those are just going to fall under one category. So these are more like categories of the files that it's going to build for your app. If you're asking what agent are we using, this is Rocket, an AI agent that can build anything. No one is talking about it. I'm not doing anything here. I'm not coding anything. This agent is building everything for me. At this point, allow me to say that these AI agents are becoming pretty good at coding and writing. This is really powerful. And as you can see right here, it is done building all these screens. We should be able to see how our web app looks this side. Okay, here we have our code base. This is good, so it does everything for you. You see here you have the Android app and everything that you want to have in this app. Everything is there. So yeah, and now to preview it, all you have to do is click on the preview. So yeah, let's just wait for it to load and see how it works. And boom, we have our app working on our mobile phone. This is the login screen that it built. So just copy this here and click here and paste it there. And the password for this is user123. So just paste our password here and we'll log in. As we log in here, you can see we are in our app, and this app looks good, clean, and beautiful. Look at that. Look at this app. Like, this is awesome. Let's maximize the screen, and here you can scroll to choose different kinds and types of categories. Maybe you want the books, you can click on the books, and here it should automatically update. We have these different items here, and you have all these features in your mobile app. You can add new products here to this mobile app. You can everything is really looking good. Favorites are coming very soon. Enable location, and you'll be able to see products near you. You can see all. You can scroll down here to see featured products and more. You have all these different kinds of beautiful features in your app. Let's try to see on Samsung. On a Samsung, it also still looks good. This is a different phone and it still looks good. We can come on the home, we can search, we can also sell our products. We can close this. Now I want to log in as an admin. Just paste my email here. Just like that. I have the same experience like the other user. When I click here, I have this coming down here. But because I'm an admin, I can click on my profile. And here I can see my details and even more. Here is their pricing. You get 5 million tokens for $20, and 10 million tokens $40, and 22 million tokens $80. If you ask me, I think it's really good. Everything here is working really just fine, no problems. And I can see how it looks like on different kinds of mobile phones. So this is good. On top here you can see the code. You can also preview it, And this side you can also install it on your phone. Click here, you can see Android is active, which means you can just install it and build for you. But for iOS, iPhone users, the feature is coming soon, so you cannot build apps for your iPhones yet. And this app is going to build. If you want to publish it, you can also publish it to the web. Right now, if you want other people to test it, you can just share this link with whoever you want. So when we come on code here, we have the GitHub option. You can actually connect your GitHub account, and this is going to be saved to your GitHub account. So here, just connect my GitHub so it can sync all this code to my GitHub repo, and I'll just transfer. This is going to transfer all this code base to my GitHub. And just like that, here I can click on this ClassFit Marketplace, and I'll be taken to my GitHub repo where I can see my entire code base. So Rocket is really good because it can build anything. Just imagine if it's able to build a mobile app like that. Just imagine how it can perform on a web app, maybe a website, or maybe a dashboard or a landing page. This is pretty good. So here on top you have the templates. Maybe you want to start with a template. You have different kinds of templates that you can actually just use on the go without you wasting time. You have everything. So built with Rocket, there are different kinds of apps that you can see here that are built by Rocket, and all these apps, they look professional. It's more like having an agent that understands web development really good, how to go about building different types of web applications or mobile apps or whatever tool you want to build. So this agent is really good. I want you to come here, test it out, try it out, and tell me what you think about it down in the comments. If this video is helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.